Hey guys, it's Ashley here from Elemental Growth. Talk about phlegm. I know it really gross subject, but the reason why I'm talking about it is because of this COVID virus pandemic that is going around, and it's a hard thing. It's a lot of change, a lot of adjustment, and if you're looking for some natural alternatives, that's definitely something that I can provide you. Um, from how I understand how this version of the coronavirus, the COVID-19, is actually doing is that the medicine that the doctors do have to give at this time cannot get through to the lungs because there's a lot of inflammation and a lot of phlegm. So if we can do things to reduce the inflammation in our body and reduce the foods that we consume that allow phlegm to be present into our bodies, if we're able to clear that out, then as this goes through, we're going to have a better army of beneficial bacteria to weigh this COVID from like getting actually serious when we adapt to it. You know, we can be we can be one of the ones that changes it for the better, and let our bodies build up that natural immunity. And there's a lot of other benefits to this kind of stuff too. It's exciting. I'm going to be bringing you guys your spring food list, a bunch of new spring recipes. You'll be able to find that in the group. I'll link it all below if you guys want to get into that. I'm also going to be making a I'm calling it the Powerful Mushroom Spring Guide. I haven't made it yet. I'm working on it. You guys will probably get that next week. And a spring foraging guide too, because while we're inside, it's also really important to get out into nature, you guys. So however it is that you can do that, if it's just you buddy up with somebody and you go for a nature walk somewhere where no other people are, but you can still hug a tree or look in the sun. Anything like that, it's gonna be good. So I'll give you some foraging tips too. So while you're out, you can try to find some of these natural foods and medicines that, while they're growing so close to us, it's really a sign that we should be consuming them. And they're all around us, and they help us with everything from depression and anxiety to pain relief, to balancing our hormones, to just having more energy, to giving us the vitamins that maybe we'd be lacking. Whatever it is, these plants are here to help us, and we should listen to them. You know, they do have an intelligence of their own, and they have a way of talking to our DNA to help us be strong, to build us up in a very natural way, so that you can live a happy, healthier life. I love you guys so much, and I'll be talking to you soon.